The STE 4801 module is on contemporary theories of learning and implications for teaching. It is a 12 credits module, and you are expected to submit 2 compulsory assignments, and they will be marked using JRouter, and a memo will be uploaded after 2 weeks onto my UNISA. So I will not accept any late submissions. You will be writing a 2-hour closed book examination during the May-June exam period, and the question paper normally comprises of 4 questions and totals 100 marks. The final mark composition will be 40% year mark, which consists of an average mark for the 2 assignments. So your 2 assignments will both count to 40% and 60% for the written examination. The model is about exposing students to different theories of learning, and this has implication for their teaching. It is a hands-on module and expected of students to reflect on their own practice. Please do not copy sections from articles and books. You have to reflect on your own practices when answering the assignments and examination questions. There's one prescribed book, How People Learn: Brain, Mind, Experience and School. It's an expanded edition and it's given to you there. This book is freely available from the internet, so you don't have to buy anything because we are a developing country. You can download it, but the book consists of 374 pages. The website is given. We expect you to consult good journals when attempting the assignments. Examples of good journals are provided. A library session will be organized during the postgraduate seminars. If this do not happen, please contact your librarian. You can find their contact details on my UNISA. Assignments. Both assignments are compulsory. Please upload your assignments on my UNISA in PDF format. This is explained how you change it in your tutorial letter. Please email the assignment in Word format to me, and when answering the questions, download articles and carefully read them first. Refrain from any form of plagiarism. This is a serious offense. Please consult your tutorial letter. Use APA referencing style. You can go to the APA website and access the format of referencing. Before submission, please read through your assignment again. Use additional articles to support your writing by using the mentioned journals. Remember to reference these articles. Apply to your current teaching situation. Be practical. If you are not teaching at the moment, you have to read even more to answer the questions. The examination. It is a 2-hour examination, and you have to look at previous exam papers, and they are all accessible on my UNISA. The same format will be used. Normally it's 4 questions, counting 25 marks, and this results in 100 marks. Questions will be similar to assignment questions as well as based on previous exam papers. That is who I am. I'm Jean Kriek, and our offices are in town. Thank you and good luck.